Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So we're somewhere different, aren't we, Ant?
Oh, we're on our holidays.
We are. We're taking a little adventure to the Canary Islands. We're going to have a week on P&O Azura. We're in a room with a semi-obstructed view. It's very nice actually. There's a little room tour to follow, so I think you'll really like that. And we're visiting several islands, which include Madeira,
Fortaventura,
Fuerteventura,
La Palma, and back to Tenerife.
back to Tenerife. So if you want to come along and enjoy this little vacation with us, stick with us.
Welcome to our cabin on Azura, P&O's ship in the Canaries. So you've got a big double bed in here. This is a inside obstructed view. The lifeboat is actually in front of the window, but it's been lowered at the minute, so we've got a good view at the minute until it's raised up. Got tea and coffee facilities here. Television. You've got a fridge there as well, if you need to call anything. You've got a telephone, got plenty of UK sockets there. Some storage, there's a hairdryer in there as well. Got all your information, your horizon leaflet tells you all the activities that's going on for the day. Bedside tables. If you come this way, you've got a huge storage area for your hang things up, plenty of hangers there, your life jacket up there. Got a cupboard here with a safe. And this is your little bathroom. So you've got a shower in there, got all your towels, all your toiletries, like your shampoos and shower gels and things.
After checking our room out, it was soon time for the sail away. Sail away took place at around 9:30 from Tenerife, and it was a really exciting sail away party. We also took the opportunity to check out some of the other areas on Azura. It was a great time to do this as most of the people were located around the sail away party, leaving some of these other areas very quiet. At the rear of the ship is a beautiful area that's terraced with a pool and a bar. You can see the full height of the ship, and it really is absolutely beautiful. After looking at this part of the ship, we made our way back to the sail away party, where things were now really in full swing. It's great sailing away from Tenerife at night, as you can see all the buildings lit up, even a church high up on the hill with a cross illuminated. It looks magnificent. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today as we boarded the P&O Azura. We hope you enjoy that little cabin tour, Cabin E312 on deck 8. It is a very comfortable sea view cabin with a partially obstructed view, but in fact the view's pretty good. The cabin's really comfortable and we are very pleased with it. So we hope this little video's found you well. We hope you enjoyed seeing the cabin with us and also the sneaky peek at the sail away party. So we've got quite a few things coming up this week, some nice excursions. First one is Madeira, which we're really looking forward to. Hope you enjoyed seeing it with us. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up and a cheeky like because it does help. And we'll really look forward to seeing you next time. Take care, guys. Bye-bye. Bye. Don't forget to check out our upcoming videos from Azura where we explore more of the Canary Islands.